Hi everyone, Sean Tonne here. I'm really delighted to be bringing my workshop over to New Zealand in September and October this year. This workshop has been a fantastic success in Australia in the last couple of years, and it was a delight to be invited by Brian Hunt, who is a psychotherapist working out of Wellington, to come over and to pass on my training to therapists in New Zealand. This training is a wonderful place for therapists who are interested in working with couples, but also therapists who have existing skills working with couples to build on the work that you're already doing with clients. The training is in Wellington in late September and in Dunedin in early October. And what I'd like to encourage you to do is to not only get information from the email that you've received, but please be in touch if there's anything that I can do to help you understand more about the training that I'm offering, and also any ways that I can support you in attending. Thank you so much for your time, and I really look forward to seeing everybody later in the year.